Have you ever noticed your drive fading, your energy dropping, and your motivation disappearing for no clear reason? You wake up tired, your workouts feel weaker, and your fire you used to have just isn't there anymore. Most men blame age, they blame stress, they blame life, but the truth is far more dangerous and far more common. Low testosterone is silently robbing you of your strength, confidence, and edge, and most men don't realize it until years are already gone. So let's break the illusion and expose the 5 warning signs your testosterone is crashing and exactly how to fix it before it costs you everything. The first sign is constant fatigue. Not lazy tired, not I need coffee tired. I'm talking about deep exhaustion, even after a full night of sleep. That's because testosterone fuels red blood cells in metabolism. When levels drop, your body is running on empty, and no amount of motivation can override biology. The second sign is stubborn belly fat that refuses to leave no matter how clean you eat. This isn't willpower, it's chemistry. Low testosterone increases fat storage, especially visceral fat, which then converts even more testosterone into estrogen, trapping you in a vicious cycle that destroys your physique. The third sign hits your mind. Brain fog, mood swings, loss of focus. You feel less sharp, less driven, and more irritable. Testosterone directly affects dopamine and cognitive function. When it drops, life literally feels duller. The fourth sign is strength loss. You're lifting the same weights but getting weaker. Your grip strength fades. Your muscles recover slower. This is muscle loss, and it's one of the most dangerous signs because muscle is your armor against aging. Testosterone is anabolic. Without it, your body breaks itself down. And the fifth sign, the one nobody wants to talk about, is low libido. Not just sexually, but mentally. Less desire, less hunger for life, less fire. That's not normal. That's a warning light. Now here's the good news. You don't fix this with miracle pills or shortcuts. You fix it with fundamentals. First, sleep like your life depends on it, because it does. Most testosterone is produced during deep sleep, and every late night is stealing from your hormones. Second, stop fearing healthy fats. Testosterone is built from cholesterol. If you're eating ultra-low fat, you're starving hormone production. Get zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, and real food back into your diet. And third, lift heavy. Long, stressful cardio spikes cortisol, which kills testosterone. Resistance training sends your body a survival signal to grow stronger, denser, and more powerful. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about refusing to fade quietly. Low testosterone is not weakness, it's a solvable problem. Fix the habits, fix the hormones, and you reclaim your strength, clarity, and edge. If this hit home, hit like, subscribe for real fitness truth, and comment below, which sign are you dealing with right now?